the Medical Electronic Systems Quick Check. DFI Kit is designed for SQA Vision users who need streamlined and reliable DNA fragmentation assessment using the SCD method. With clear 5-category halo grading based on the WHO's 6th edition, you'll meet current standards for classifying and reporting your patient's DNA Fragmentation Index with confidence. The test report includes full-color images with measurement markings of each sperm's halo size for foolproof accuracy and reporting clarity. From slide preparation to reporting, MES supports your lab every step of the way to ensure accuracy, consistency, and speed. Expand your advanced semen analysis offerings with the Medical Electronic Systems Quick Check DNA Fragmentation Kit. Thank you for watching. We are here if you need us. And remember, it all started with a sperm and an egg.